got my hair done by Yuko and I decided to go with the color purple. Chose this color because it represents to me freedom, fun, peace, clarity, creativeness, and just being free within myself, like allowing myself just to express myself through my hair, through the energy. Like I feel so light, like lighter within myself, lighter within my heart, lighter within my head by putting the color purple up there. Thank you so much, Yuko. You honestly are a gem. You are amazing at what you do. Anyone is wanting to get their hair done and be transformed and have the support and love behind it, Yuko Turnbull is the person you want to see. She is amazing at what she does. She's a beautiful soul and just a fun adventure.